Sustainability at Domino's. In today's world, businesses are increasingly being held accountable for their environmental impact. Domino's recognizes this responsibility and is committed to doing its part to create a more sustainable future. The mega factory itself is a model of efficiency, utilizing energy-saving equipment and minimizing waste whenever possible. Domino's is also committed to sourcing ingredients responsibly, working with suppliers who share its commitment to sustainability. From reducing packaging waste to supporting sustainable agriculture, Domino's is taking steps to reduce its environmental footprint. Domino's understands that sustainability is not just good for the planet, it's also good for business. By operating more efficiently and responsibly, Domino's can reduce its costs while also appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Section 10. Beyond the Pizza Box. Innovation at Domino's. Domino's is not content to rest on its laurels. The company is constantly innovating, exploring new ways to improve its products, processes, and customer experience. From developing new pizza recipes to experimenting with cutting-edge delivery technologies, Domino's is always looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve. One example of Domino's commitment to innovation is its investment in autonomous delivery vehicles. These self-driving vehicles, equipped with sophisticated sensors and navigation systems, have the potential to revolutionize the pizza delivery industry. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered to your doorstep by a robot. Domino's is also exploring new ways to enhance the customer experience through technology. From online ordering platforms to mobile apps that allow you to track your pizza's progress, Domino's is making it easier than ever to get your pizza fix. The company is even experimenting with augmented reality, allowing customers to visualize their pizzas before they order. Section 11. The Domino Effect: Technology, Precision, and Pizza Perfection. As our journey through the Domino's mega factory comes to an end, it's clear that this is no ordinary pizza joint. This is a highly orchestrated operation, a symphony of technology, precision, and a relentless pursuit of pizza perfection. From the moment the dough is mixed to the instant a pizza is delivered, every step in the Domino's process is carefully controlled and monitored. Technology plays a vital role, ensuring consistency, efficiency, and quality. But it's the human element, the dedication and passion of the Domino's team, that truly sets this company apart. So the next time you order a Domino's pizza, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get to your doorstep. It's a testament to the power of innovation, the importance of quality, and the enduring appeal of a simple, delicious pizza.